Hello everyone and welcome to this small tutorial. Suppose you are working with Excel and you have data like in this format. It is a comma delimited format and you want the data to be in an individual cell format. So how to change this? It's very easy. You have to just select the cell with comma delimited format, and then you have to go to data and go to text columns, and here you have to choose delimited. Go to next, and there's different delimiters like tab, semicolons, comma, space, and there might be something else. So here you have to choose comma, and in this data preview you can see that the names, the fields are different in different cells, but here there is one blank cell because as you can see here are two commas. So to fix this, you just have to tick this treat consecutive delimiters as ones, so that the consecutive commas are treated as one comma, and this will the problem will be fixed. And then just click next, and you can select text, or you can also select date format based on your data type, and then finish. So as you can see, the names are now in different uh, cells, but in order to make them in a vertical format, you have to just control it, you have to select it, select Control C and then Control V, and from this drop down you have to choose transpose, and there you go. So this is how you can easily change a comma delimited text type into separate parcel format. Thank you.